In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit your videos using iMovie for iPhone and iPad. I'll be covering all the basics, so that way when you finish this video, you can get started editing right away. If you're new to the channel, I show you how to make videos on your smartphone so you can grow an audience, help others, and make money doing what you love. So if that interests you, be sure to subscribe, and let's jump in to this tutorial. Now, I'll be doing this video from my iPad, but don't worry if you're on iPhone, it's the exact same experience. It just makes it easier because then I can have a mouse hooked up and you guys can see what I'm clicking on just so it's easy to follow along. So let's start. We're going to click Create New Project. We're going to choose Movie. And then we have access to all our footage. I'm actually going to go to Albums. And I actually have a video editing album. Let me find it here. There we go. And I have all my footage that I want to add to my timeline. So I can just click on it, and I'll put a check mark right by it. And once my items are added, I can click Create Movie. And you can even scroll through with your finger and take a look at all your footage. And there's even a transition already added in between your clips. If you need to add more footage or photos to your timeline, you can click the plus button here, and you can go access all your videos and photos. For now, we've got what we want, so we can just click the X button. If you want to rearrange your clips, what I'm first going to do is just pinch with my fingers to zoom out so I can see all my clips in my timeline. And then what I can do is just select the video I want to move, hold down my finger, and I can just drag it to anywhere in the timeline I want it. And then just let go, and I can rearrange my clips that way and get them right where I want them. If you want to trim your videos, all you have to do is click on that video clip, and you can just grab either side of the clip with your finger and just trim it like so, just moving it like that. But I find this to be a harder way to trim. What's easier for me is just to move to the spot where I want to trim, click on the clip, click the split button, which will actually cut the clips into two halves, and then I can just delete the part that I don't want. And I find that to be a more accurate way of trimming than moving my finger slips and I've trimmed in the wrong spot. So that's the way I like to do it. If for some reason we actually didn't want to delete that part and now it's been deleted, there's actually a back button right here. We can click that and it'll actually reverse any actions we did. So if we made a mistake, you can click the back button right here and be able to reverse any actions that you did. If you want to crop in on a video, all you have to do is select the video clip and then click on this plus icon up here in the corner of the preview screen. And now it says pinch to zoom. So we can use our fingers and pinch in. We can actually crop in our video however we want. Click that button again just to turn it off. And now our video is cropped in right where we want it. Now, if we want to add transitions or remove transitions, you just have to click on the transition here, and you can either choose none or you can choose a few different ones here and choose how long the transition is going to be. I don't really like transitions, so I'm going to go through and turn them off for my video. There we go. And that's how you turn off and turn on transitions. If you want to add text to your videos, all you have to do is click on the video that you want to add text to, click on the text button right here instead of the editing actions. You can click on titles, click on the text that you want to add, and then we can actually click on this and click edit and change our text. Now once we've done that, we can actually click on the text and move it anywhere on the screen that we want. So we could just center it right there. And because we chose this text effect, when it comes onto the screen, it's going to do a cool little effect there where it'll slide right up onto the screen. But we could really customize this and go through a lot of these text settings. But that's pretty much the basics of text. You can actually click through these and really adjust how you want the text to appear on your screen. If you want to add filters to your video, you could click on it, go over to filters, and they actually have some pre-built-in filters that you could apply to your videos to get a cool different look or blockbuster look if you want. And then what you can also do is when you select a filter, they have this option here to adjust how powerful that filter is. So if you don't like it at full blast, you can actually turn it down a bit and get it to a spot that you like it. Now, another cool feature that you can actually do in iMovie is picture in picture, which actually should be titled video in video because it's putting two videos on the screen at the same time. You can also do picture in put a photo up over your video. I'll show you how to do that. You just click the plus button over here. We'll just go to our moments. And then basically what we'll do is select whatever video we want to add. So for example, let's just say this one here. We could click options. We can either choose picture in picture, split screen, or green screen, but we're going to choose picture in picture, and that'll put the clip over the top of our clip. And so what we can then do is click on this moving button here, and we can actually drag it around the screen wherever we want. So if we were doing like a gaming channel or a reaction channel, we could put the video in the corner here, click that button again to turn it off, and there we go. Now we have the video right there. You can also turn on and off the border if you don't want that white border on there, but I think it looks kind of nice, so I will keep that white border there. But you can also do the same thing with photos. So what we'll do is we'll just delete this for right now. Click add, go to our photos. We could add like this Instagram photo. We'll just say picture in picture again. And now there's a photo on our screen. So let's X out of this. Click on that photo. We can click the move button again. We can move it around to wherever we want. Click it again. And there we go. We've got the picture over the top of our video. Now, if you want to add music to your project, all you have to do is click the plus button. And then down below, click audio. And you'll have access to your Apple Music. And then they also have some built-in sound effects and built-in soundtracks that you can actually add to your videos. You can go through these, download them, add them to your video. Otherwise, you can access your Apple Music, or even if you wanted, you could access your files and be able to add music that way. When you're finally done editing, what you can do is click the Done button, which you then can preview your full video in all its glory. Then you can click the Export button here, and you can choose to upload it wherever you want, or you can even, if you want, just save the video to your Photos app and then transfer it to YouTube or TikTok or wherever you want, and then you'll be set. Now, if you want to learn some more advanced features within iMovie, I actually did a video that you can click on right here. It's also linked down below in the description, showing you the advanced editing features of iMovie. So how to put subscribe buttons on your video, how to add social media handles, etc. I'll show you how to do all of that. Just click the video here, and thanks for watching this one. I'll see you guys over there.